Franklin, and today I am going to show you all of my pets. So first of all, we are starting off over here in the garden with my Goonie pigs.
Goonie pigs.
So there's Fluffy and there's Chocolate. Okay, they're both girls, and they're called Fluffy and Chocolate. Next we have my rabbit called Patches. He's in there. Hello. But now, as Patches, my rabbit. Now we move on to the inside. These are my goldfish. You see 1 and 2, but the other one likes hiding. And then this is 1 out of my 4 cats. This is Sifa. That's Sifa. This is Taser and Dexter, and then this little one's Jessie. Then I have my bearded dragon, Spyro.
Lean on there. Just there. You forgot him.
Okay, this is my bearded dragon, Spyro. Okay, so
You just saw his head on the first
I hope you... Sorry, I was just watching TV there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you like the new intro and the new outro.
Yeah.
And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.